All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is something a little bit different. Um, this just came out, I want to say either today or yesterday. This is the Project Spark beta. Now, I haven't touched this at all. This is my first time actually playing it. I just loaded it up, just installed it and everything. So I kind of wanted to, I guess, introduce this. Now I also want to reinforce that this is a beta. So if we do come across some issues and everything, I'd like to think that they will be taken care of, when the game gets released, whenever it does. So anyways, I just wanted to showcase what I guess other people would be experiencing for the first time that they, go through with this. This is definitely not me showcasing all that you can do, because I have no idea really what excuse me, what this game is capable of. I've seen a couple videos today of certain things that people have made basically within the Windows 8 version, and it was just amazing. I don't have the creativity or imagination to do some of this stuff, which is pretty much why I fail a lot when it comes to Minecraft. But yeah, I guess I want to kind of fart around and do some of the integral, or try to make something, and then maybe I'm sure you can download some of the community things. But anyways, this is the Xbox One beta, if you didn't already know that by now. So yeah, I want to, like I said, I guess I just want to see what this is all about. It seems like such an interesting idea. What would I like to do first? Do you want to play Crossroads or learn to create? Let's learn to create.
Here's something you won't want to miss.
Okay.
Let's get to it. You can make anything.
This is just the beginning. Experience your first taste of creating an adventure game with this tutorial to help you get started. Step by step, you'll make a hero, battle enemies, and craft an adventure to be continued. More tutorials coming soon. Press LB plus Y on an object to enter its brains. Then oh my God, look at this. Okay, have you ever made a game? No. Well, hell no. Well, time to change that. Get ready to create a hero, an adversary, blah, and a world to explore. The hero's journey begins with a hero. Press the A button to switch tools. Then use the left stick to navigate to the prop tool and press A again to select it. What's the prop tool? Oh, duh, right there. Prop mode is how you add interesting objects and life to your world. It's also where you go to edit or remove them. Now you'll really be bringing the world to life. The prop palette below contains the most recently used items. The arrow just above it takes you to the prop gallery, where just about anything can be found. Press up on the D-pad to open the prop gallery. This is the prop gallery, where you can find all of the props, effects, characters, assemblies, sound, and visual effects that you own. You can filter your view by prop type using the tabs above. Do you desire an exact thing? You can also search for a specific prop using the search box in the upper right. Use the left stick to select the Characters tab, then press A to filter your view. Okay. Choose any character to be your hero. Well, who do we want, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do a ranger. Okay. Press LT to snap the prop to the ground. Press RT to place the prop in your world. Plop. Move the cursor over your hero and hold LB. Oh, my bad. While holding LB, press Y to open its brain. Welcome to the Brain Editor, where the magic really happens. Brains are a collection of Cody statements that tell objects how to behave. All Cody statements are divided into a when side and a do side. When the left side is true, do the actions on the right. Let's start with a blank brain and build your hero from scratch. First, let's give them a way to move. Select the plus and press A to add a tile to the when side. Are we on that? Okay. This is the tile picker, where all code tiles, I'm just calling it code, can be found. Tiles are all organized into folders by their functionality. Tilt the left stick toward the controls folder and press A to select it. Okay. Select the control folder. Man, this is in depth. Select the left tile stick. Select the left stick tile. Now this line of code will run when the left stick is used, but what will it do? Select the plus and press A to add a tile to the do side. Select the movement folder. Select the move tile. You've written your first line of code. It says that when the left stick is used, the character will move. Let's see what happens in test mode. Press B to, okay. Oh, for God's sakes, how do we go to test mode? Press menu. Okay, the pause menu has many uses. You can switch between edit and test modes, save your level, share your level, and access properties that affect your entire world. Oh, there's test. Oh, there he goes. Look at the man. Woohoo! Dun 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 dun. Dun. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. Select Edit to return to Create mode. Move the cursor over your hero and hold. Alright, now we're going to open up the brain again. Let's give your hero the ability to jump. I'm starting to get it. Okay. I kind of got it. We want to go to the controls. We're going to use A for him to jump, which is kind of universal. And we want to add that ability, a movement, and jump. The line you just wrote says, whenever this button is held, jump. However, your hero will jump constantly if that button is held. Let's add one more tile to change that. This will be a modifier, meaning it affects the tile that comes before it. Okay. A modifier only when it's pressed. This means your hero will only jump when the button is first pressed. You'll have to release the button before you can jump again. Your hero's brain is missing one more key thing, a camera. This is why the game doesn't move with their actions. Okay, so we want a plus. Press RB. Okay. Now we got the camera. Follow camera. Because the when side of this line is empty, now the camera will always follow the player. Let's try out your new camera. Press B to exit Brain Editor. Press the menu, and we want to test. Oh, cool. Look at that. Boing. Now I'm going to hold it down, and he's not jumping all the time. Oh, this is, I mean, can be so in-depth. Look at our little ranger. Jump for me. Okay, that's cool. Select edit to return to create mode. Okay, we gotta fart with his brain again. Let's make your hero attack when you press the X button. Alright, so we're turning this into Fable here. Alright, controls, controller, X, combat, attack. Hero will attack when you press the X button. Let's make your hero do it. Yeah, this is turning into Fable. Controllers, Y button, do the plus for the do, combat, and shoot. The default projectile is a fireball. Time to test out your code again. Okay. Bring this up. Test. Okay, he's jumping. Yaw, yaw, attacking. Shoot your fireball. He just pulls that out. He's chilling. He's got that in his pocket. Oh, and I hold it down, and it just fires like mad. Same with the attack. Okay. That's cool. Let's go back and edit. Well, now you've made yourself a hero. You need an adversary for your new powers. Let's create an enemy. Let's pick an enemy from the prop palette for our hero to fight. Use the D-pad to select the goblin. Okay, that's what we want. Press LT to snap to the ground. Press. Oh, we just put him like right on top. There. Press the menu. Oh! Let's shoot a fireball at him. Got him! Get up, little man. Oh, he's gone. Alright. Amazing, you've conquered basic programming, created a stalwart hero, and a fearsome enemy. But now this empty world around them needs some help. Let's get to work and create an awesome backdrop for their battle. You've got a hero and some enemies, but they need a world to adventure in. Let's use sculpting, painting, and a few props to give it some life. A mountain is your next challenge to conquer. Press the A button to switch to tools. Use the left stick to navigate the sculpt tool and press A to select it. How do I... Oh, there we go. Expand. The first step to sculpting an incredible landscape is learning to control the camera. Okay, use the left stick to move your cursor left. Use the Y and X buttons to move the cursor up and down. Okay. Use the right stick to orbit the camera. Oh, I'm sorry, right stick. Oops. Click the right stick to change the camera's zoom level. Oh, okay, now that you've got the hang of the camera, go start creating. Whew. Wow, mold your world in sculpt mode. Here you can modify, raise, lower, and even create terrain. There's a whole set of tools to use, and each one has an opposite. To sculpt, hold RT and move your brush over the terrain. This is the Expand Erode tool. In Expand mode, your brush will raise the terrain, and in Erode mode, it will reduce the terrain. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, this tool expands. Hold RT and move the brush to raise a mountain. What am I doing? This tool expands the terrain. It touches. Hold RT and move the brush. What's going on? What am I doing wrong? Expands the terrain at truck. Blah, blah, blah. Whoa, we've gone through the floor. But this will go a lot faster with a bigger brush. While holding LB, use the left stick to select scale, then tilt the right stick back to adjust the size of the brush. Keep expanding your mount until you... My mountain is non-existent, guys. Oh wait, what's that? Something just happened. I've created a vortex. Wait, we've just eroded. The erode brush reduces the terrain it touches. How do we... Oh, wait. Oh, crap. Okay. Let's pull that back a little bit. Oh, look at that. Okay. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's really safe to experiment and try new things in Project Spark because it's really easy to undo those actions. Press the View button next to the Menu button at any time to undo your last action. You can also hold the View button and use the right stick to scrub through the bar to get to the exact point you want. Let's reduce your brush's intensity so you can shape your mountain in finer detail. While holding LB, use the left stick to select intensity. Then tilt the right stick to adjust the intensity of your brush. Okay. Whoa, crap. Okay. Use both the expand and erode brushes to sculpt your mountain. Let's see. I want to... How do I move in again? How do I zoom? That moves the camera. That moves this. Oh, yeah. But that doesn't help. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's kind of... I want it to go up on top, not below. Whoa. See, this kind of is... Whoa, took a bit off. Oh, I see. Okay. I mean, I'm really holding it down here, and it's just making little mounds. Okay. Let's add some color to your mountain. Press the A button to switch to tools, then use the left stick to navigate to the paint tool and press A again. Okay. Ah, yes, paint mode. This is how you add different colors and materials to your world. Use the D-pad to switch materials on the paint palette at the bottom of the screen. The arrow button right above the palette opens the paint gallery, which has even more materials to select from. Press the right trigger to paint some magic into your world. All right, to paint. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow, look at that. This is awesome. I still don't understand why it won't select the top of the mountain. Why it goes around it. Let's try this. Ooh, look at that. I made a nice little crevasse. We could do some temperate woodlands on there. And the cat's meowing. This is gonna really look uglier in Sin, but I just wanna see what everything kind of looks like. Oh, that wipes stuff off. Huh. I'm still a little confused as to like why it won't go on top of the mountain. Oh, duh. Okay, right. I need to hit Y to get up. Man, oh man, this is awesome. I can't wait to try out some of the things that people do with this. That is going to be just too cool. And X moves you back down. That's right. Yeah, it does, Steve. I mean, you're playing the tutorial. It already told you all that. Okay. That is as awe-inspiring as I'm going to get it. 3D adventure progress. Create a hero, blah, blah, blah. All right, we did all that. You've made an interesting landscape. Yeah, that's being kind. But how will your hero know where to go? The solution is simple. It's time to make a path. First, let's choose a background material to paint your ground beneath your path. Use the D-pad to select the second material on the paint palette. Okay. While holding LB, use the left stick to select scale, then tilt the right stick to adjust the size of the brush. Oh God. These bumpers are awful on these Xbox One controllers. There's scale. Let's go down to 25%. Now paint over the terrain with the grounded material. My path looks exactly like well, that's unfortunate. My path looks here, I tell you what. We'll do this. Okay, there. We're on the ground. There's our guy. So we'll make the path go out this way. And around. Boom, there. Word to the wise, next time someone does this, don't make your mountains the same color as your path. All right, now it's time to pick a contrasting material for your path. Let's pick something from the gallery. Okay, press up on the D-pad to open the materials gallery. Oh, this is the paint gallery, which contains all of the different materials you can use in your world. Selecting a material replaces whichever material was in the currently selected slot. Press A to replace the currently selected slot on the palette with a material from the gallery. Choose a material. What do we want? Let's do forest path, since we're a ranger and everything. Okay, what just happened? Okay, choose a material, then press B to exit the gallery. Paint a path to connect all the elements of your world. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's so pretty. Blah, 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 blah. Just going around. Okay, paint the path. What just happened? It's like froze. Oh, there it goes. Might have been saving or something. Let's have it come up. Raise that up a little bit. Oh, yeah, there you go. Starting to really figure it out. It only took me 30 minutes. Okay, I need to go up a little higher. Nope, nope. Oh, all right, well, whatever. I hit A prematurely, sorry. Great path, but it could use a little bit of sprucing up to make things more interesting. How about some coins to pick up? Press the A button to switch tools, then use the left stick to navigate the prop tool and press A again to select it. Okay. We want to add props. Press up. Select the coin prop. Oops, where are we at? There we are. Press LB to snap the place. Oh, I'm sorry, snap the prop on the ground. RT to place it. Okay, there it is. There's the coin. Okay, we can... I don't understand. Why does it go away, though? Shouldn't they stay? When you're done, press B to deselect. Okay, almost done, but your path needs a little vegetation. How about a tree? Okay, we're going back into the prop guide. Use the left stick to select the search box in the upper right. Then press A. Okay, oh my God. There's got to be an easier way to do this. There's tree. Oh my God, look at all the different kinds of trees. Oh, yeah, there it is. You can actually do that. Okay, pick a tree. What do we want? Pick a tree, any tree. All right, that guy. Let's build him right here. Not bad, but how about we make it a little bigger and rotate it a little? Move your cursor over the tree and press RT to grab it while holding LB. Okay. God, the bumper. Select scale. Oh, there we go. Whoa, it's huge. Let's do 257. We could put a brain on a tree. How do you tilt it? Oh, there. Rotate. Oh, whoa. Yeah, let's have a little lean. Oh, not like that. Okay. While holding LB, use the right stick. Oh, we just did that. Okay. Now that it's bigger, maybe we need to reposition it a little. Use the left stick, X and Y buttons to move the tree. Hold LT to keep the tree snapped to the terrain. Oh, okay. Whoa. We can actually have it floating in the air. Okay. Awesome job. Now your hero has a summit to conquer, a path to follow, treasure to find, and battles to fight. You've created a grand adventure for your hero, but all journeys must eventually end. You're going to create a goal for the player that will end the game once they achieve it. Alright, yeah, I think this will be it. Use the left stick and select the search box in the upper right then press A and search for flag. Okay. Flag. This is going to be a race. Select this village flag prop and make sure to place it somewhere accessible. Let's just put it out here. Okay. We'll write a brain for that flag that will do 3 things. Detect when the player has reached it, display a victory message, and end the game. Display the time taken to finish the race. Okay, that works. Move the code. Okay. It's going to have a brain. First, we have to detect when the player reaches the flag using the bump sensor. All right, plus sensor, bumpage. Now this line will run when any objects bump into it. Since you only want to sense the player, you need to add player to the tile to filter the sensor's result. All right, plus objects, player. Okay, now that when the side checks, now that the when side checks if the player has reached the flag, the do side should tell this brain to switch over to a victory state. So far, all the code you've written has been on page 1 of this brain. Every brain has at least 1 page, but you're going to use an additional page to enter a victory state. Select the plus and press A to add tile to the do side. Okay, now press the RB to view the next page. Okay, so there's the brains folder. Switch page, plus, press the RB to view the next tile, brains, next page. Switching pages is like changing states, like going from being asleep to being awake. You can't be both at once. Switch page, next page tells the brain to stop running the current page and start running the next page. Okay. Page 1 is done for now, so you can switch over to page 2 and start coding the victory state. Press RB to go to the next page of the brain. The code on this page will not run until the brain switches from page 1 to page 2. Anything you want to happen after the player reaches the flag should go on this page. A good place to start is with a simple victory message. Select the plus, create, interface, display. Next, you need to create a piece of custom text to display. Oh, this could be this could be bad. Enter the values folder and text, new text. I am just going to be generic. You win! Exclamation point. Added for emphasis. You can also modify where the text will show up and how big it will be. Okay. Modifiers, screen location, screen center. All right, cool. Modifiers, font size, and it wants just extra large font. Before you add anything else, you should test your goal to make sure everything works so far. What do you want? Oh. All right, let's test it. Oh, I should have moved him somewhere else. There's one of our coins. Got it. There's another one. Jump. There's another one. And boom, you win. That's extra large? That doesn't seem... Get off of me. Okay. Press the menu when you're done. Select edit. Man, this video is getting long. Your goal works, but it doesn't actually end the game yet. Move the cursor over the flag, hold LB, open its brain. Are we going to go to a third page? All right, after the victory text, still second page. After the victory text is displayed, the screen should fade to black and the game should end. Okay. Create, interface, fade. Now set how long the fade out should take. Okay. Transition time. Values, number, New number. 5, I guess. I don't know. What's it supposed to be out of? To actually end the game, simply use the game over tile. Create, interface, game over. The when side of this line is empty, which means the game over tile will run immediately when this brain switches to page 2. You can use a countdown timer to delay this line's execution by a few seconds, which will give the screen a chance to fade out and display the victory message. Okay. Select the timing and logic, countdown timer, plus values, number, and it's probably going to ask us again. Let's do 6. Now this line won't run until the countdown timer is finished, counting the specified number of seconds. Time to put your game over transition to test. Okay. Here we go, testing it again. Haha, you didn't get me this time. Whoa, the camera's... the camera was doing a fable there. Oh man, that's... Okay, I don't know why. We should do one for a run. Okay, you win. Fade out. He's gonna hit me here. There, he'd hit me. Okay. When in test mode, the game over tile returns you to create mode. In play mode, the player will go to the end game screen. Move the cursor over the flag, hold LB. Open its brain. Along with the victory message, you should show the number of seconds it took the player to reach the flag. How many seconds you elapsed? Start of the game, do this. You'll need a rule that runs once every second. Man, there is so much stuff going on here. You need to add the loop modifier to tell this timer to repeat endlessly. Now that the do side tells this rule to run once every second, the when side should increment how many seconds have passed. You'll need to create a custom number variable to show the total number of seconds elapsed. I don't know, 3. Name your variable seconds elapsed. Oh. Oh, come on. Okay, next you need to increment your variable by 1 every time this line executes. Okay, I see. It's just constantly counting. By 1 second. All that's left to display the total seconds elapsed. Press RB to go to the next page. Okay. Create, interface, display, values, text, new text, enter completion time. RB, select the math, values, number, and then seconds elapsed. Man, seriously? Seconds. Oh, all right. I see what it's... Okay. It's all making sense now. It's just putting the text of what's actually counting on the screen. And then here we're going to set the font size, which is not really extra large, but hey. Screen, I kind of want it to be actually in the top right, but okay. This menu. I hit it. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to be able to see 40 minutes long this video is. Ah, you got me, you bastard. Get that coin. I wonder if like you can make the enemy much faster. You win. Completion. Probably should have added a space there at the end, but hey, you get the idea. You've got a satisfying conclusion to your adventure and even a time to try and beat the next time you play. Thanks for checking out our tutorial preview for 3D Adventure. Check back in future releases for more tutorials and even bigger adventures. Don't forget to save your level from the pause menu, then head back into play mode to check it out. So, this is the most amazing world you will ever see in Project Spark. Anyways, I'm gonna play around some more with this, and I want to do play some of the. I want to be jealous, basically, of what other users have created. But yeah, thanks for watching. This has so many possibilities. This could be just amazing. This is really neat. So anyways, yeah, this video is way too long, so I'm going to cut it off. But thank you, everyone, for watching. And, yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video I do. So, adios.